start. First G. Counted agad. Boss Leber. Junior Ilago. To Senior. Corner to. Sobra. Rebound. Abot. Tony Store. Sniper. Wala. Boss Leber to Boss Darwin. Uy, still. Good still by Sniper. Sniper. Deflected. Pass to Sniper. To Abod. Nice pass to Sniper. To Balido. Toscano. Wala. Op. Stepping off the line. Leber. Attack. Op. Wala. Balido to Boss Danilo. Corner is good. Boss Pence. Bank shot. No good. Balido. For insurance basket. Another steal. Boss Pence, may clean block. Toscano. Good steal. Junior. Coast to coast. Nicely up. Top Sniper to Balido. 43. To Anino. 19. Busdan. Back to Anino. Number 99. Toscano. Pull up jump. No good. Offensive rebound. Balido. Basket. Canillo. Attack. Good basket. Toscano. To Sniper. Wide open. Basket. Junior. Wala. Short. Toscano up. Good steal by Junior. Senior to Junior. Ilago for 2 points. Abod to Toscano. Sinigurado na. Junior. Short ball. Up. Boss Leber. Bank shot. Oy, sobra na naman. Boss Darwin. Traveling violation by referee. Boss Danilo. To Balido. Sniper. 12 to shoot. Boss Dan. Pick. May kasamang foul. Balido. Wala. Good steal. Abod. To Sniper. Good shot by Sniper. Canillo. To Boss Dinke. Leber. Canillo. Wala. Balido na naman basket. Junior Costo in and out. Pimulwa. Balido. Good pass to Boss Danilo for triple. No good. Good recover. Wala. Boss Darwin. Bank shot. Sobra na naman. Mga loads. Sniper. Good basket. So 18 score. Boss Darwin on the attack mode. Recover by Boss Darwin Ramirez. Lumtong to Bikiso. May kasamang traveling violation. Lumtong for good basket. Junior layup is good. Balido wala. Junior to Joy Lagado, bank shot. Estrelloso to Bikiso, wala. Another rebound, good basket by Bikiso. Another turnover. Bikiso, basket. Lagado, sobra. Lumtong to Balido, bang shot, good.
40 seconds remaining.
Counted again.
25 seconds.
Canelio, nice, wala. Unsuccessful. Ramirez for winning, no good, wala.
20.
Canelio, bag shot, sobra na naman. Ay, malakas.
7 seconds.
Wala, waray ka kung ano. Uy. End of first quarter.